She's alive! Hey, a little different video today. Jason's bus needs a lot of work and we're only 2 days away from a major road trip. We're gonna swap his motor, fix some electrical, and work on his brakes. We're trying to get it all done tonight ahead of the trip. So join us today as we try to get Jason's bus back on the road on VW Life. Hey Gary, I'm here to pick up the tow bar.
I'm here to chop some wood. I'm getting wood ready for Big Ben Bus Bash, number 7. Although I don't think we're gonna need any fire. We might be building furniture out of it instead because it's gonna be kind of hot.
And let's see if we can get Jason going today. Do you think we'll be able to get him on the road?
Yeah, man, that's easy. What kind of question is that? That's, you know what, Matt Jackson? That's what we do.
That's right. I'm gonna go pick up Jason with a tow bar and we'll be back.
That's right, all right. Oh!
Over here we've got everything staged. We've got the single port 1600 over there. So we're gonna get to work on pulling that motor and throwing the other one in there.
To go through the shroud.
Do some stuff, but it didn't work out, or you just...
I haven't touched it.
Can you get to it from up there?
Oh yeah. Okay. This has the nut insert. We're trying to roll it back.
All right, so you're going for the third bolt.
Get this one. After I get the battery.
Coming out. Oh yeah, I forgot you had that hole.
Yeah, buddy.
The fuel line bush. The fuel line bush.
Shit.
Careful. Oh,
Did you almost die?
No.
was this hole already here?
No, sadly.
You cut it?
I did.
Well, I'll say one thing.
The way he did it, it's not.
It makes it a lot easier.
And the way he did it, it didn't really like screw up a whole lot. Like you just put it back and.
The generator, alternator, throttle cable's loose.
Hot wire loose off the coil.
I had a harness to that relay, so I just unplugged it.
Perfect.
And set it on the back. I think we're good to go.
You ready?
Yeah. Don't crack my shroud. It's mostly fiberglass. Okay.
Am I off the shaft? Can I go down a little bit?
You can go. Yeah, you're off everything. You're
Okay.
100% clear. And then you got to turn it. You got to give it a little like this, and then pull it out, and then turn it back the other way. Oh, right there. Easy. How long was that? 10 minutes.
Pretty much.
My record was 11, but that was a hot motor on the side of the freeway.
Okay.
Okay, ready? Yep.
It's lighter than yours.
Because it doesn't have 22 feet on front.
Out with the new, in with the old, as they say.
Yeah.
Or is that backwards?
Yeah.
Spring is weak. Alright, it's in.
Okay.
You got it right there. And then hold on, get the wires out of the way.
Yeah.
Oh,
All right, I got that.
and this one.
All right, I got it.
Temp sensor or whatever. Might come up a little. Watch your hand on top here.
Yeah. Where are we?
You're almost there.
In?
Lean the front down a little bit.
Up and in and forward.
What I mean?
Matt Jackson.
Yes, sir.
Go up on the jack.
Yep. More?
No, you're good. Just go
That's
ahead
good.
now.
All right, your side needs to go down, Matt Jackson. Okay, we're in.
There she is.
Okay.
We're in.
Yep.
Oh, I got it. Okay. And that's a moon bolt, so we can snug that up, right?
Yeah. Indeed. There's a lot more room behind this one.
Imagine that.
Oh, it's not a doghouse.
Pulling the jack, boss.
10-4.
Got the accelerator cable through.
It is through?
Yes. Oh no.
What?
Look at this. We broke one of these.
Oh no. Yeah, that's not good.
Ah, damn. Wait. Is that broken?
It came out of the thing here.
Oh no, that's broken too.
Oh yeah,
Look.
it broke it.
Shoot.
It's alright, I'll get it fixed.
Okay.
Yeah, tore that up.
Let me take this one off.
Good
All right.
catch on that. That would have drove us crazy.
Got it fixed.
Alright, I'm gonna work on this this coil wire where y'all get the fuel situations rectified.
Climb underneath there and stick that.
Oh, turn on.
stuff action.
Probably gonna need a little bit of fuel
You
like
guys were like a
Alright, how
NASCAR
much?
pit crew.
This is the new stuff.
5mm cloth wrapped.
But it's flanor.
Yeah.
Ethanol doesn't bug it.
Gary's having to make up a new wire to connect to the alternator,
Coil.
to the coil.
You know what? VW Life.
Maybe another problem here, Gary.
What's that?
It's a generator.
What is it? You don't have a regulator.
I don't have a regulator.
Yeah, that's gonna be a problem.
So we found out, we didn't think this through, there is no regulator. It's a, he's got a generator on that motor and he had an alternator before, so we're throwing a regulator on there. We're using the diagram on the side of the regulator to figure out how to wire it. Right now that's what we're doing.
Take this back off.
Okay, good.
We don't even have to use. We don't have to. So we don't have to use this piece.
All right, so
That
that's
goes,
out.
That goes back. So now the question is, where we're gonna mount this?
Yes. Now, is it something that can be zip tied or do you want it screwed on?
It's probably needs. Yeah.
It needs to be screwed in.
We've got the fuel line. The regulator is in. You can see it down in there. So now, we've also got everything else needed to run this thing. So we're going to try to start it up. We got the oil sensor wired in. We had to replace that. And now it's time for ignition.
Lines over there. They're right near your house.
Fire in a hole.
All right, let's see what happens.
Hopefully this
Ready?
works.
Yep, ready.
Clutch.
Uh-oh.
Try again.
Wow. Oh my God. What's going on here?
It's locked up. That's the reason why it's pinched somewhere.
It's gonna
Yeah.
clearance
Oh, there
it.
it's rubbing. Hold on, Matt Jackson.
Okay.
Don't do it anymore. It's just barely.
Hey,
Okay,
stop.
clear.
See if it'll.
Clear. Alright, stop.
That's good.
All right,
Keep tightening
I'm
it.
going to
Wait.
tighten them up again.
You guys keep going.
Too tight.
I just haven't got one side done yet. Hold on.
Jason.
Okay, clear.
Clear.
That's enough. All right, that's good. That's fine.
Alright.
That coil wire.
All right, we're going to try it again. I think we clearanced it. Go ahead, we're ready.
Roll it on one, boss.
Rolling on one.
We did it.
She's alive! That's fun, baby!
So the muffler's really low because of that collector, so we're jacking up the muffler and then we're going to tighten that hose clamp.
Sounds pretty good.
It's pretty revvy. Sounds like one of those,
Sounds like one of them Formula V.
that's what I was going to say. It sounds just like a Formula V.
I think it's as fast as one too.
We'll have to see if he can beat you on I-10 going up them big hills.
Right.
And there you have it.
Success. The old 1600 spare motor is going to go to Big Bend again. I'm excited about that. That motor has
Been around.
it's been around the block. I'll tell you what though, it sounds pretty strong going down the drive. One of those.
It runs pretty strong. It feels really nice.
Well, I'm glad you're going to be able to use it, buddy. To get you to Big Bend. That's what it's all about. You know, the Mad Thrash, Matt Jackson is.
The annual Mad Thrash right before the trip.
Yeah, knock on good wood that the 1600 old test bud motor does what it needs
That's right.
to do.
You guys stay tuned and we'll just see if this little motor makes it 1,200 miles.
That's right. Here we go. So the journey is about to begin.
Thanks for watching.
Yep.
And,
make sure you tell your aunts, tell your uncles, tell everybody you know about VW Life. Hey, this is what it's all about. Help your buddies, get them on the road, man, so they can join in on all the fun. So stick with us. We'll see where we're headed up next.